going on, guys? Mug PvP Pro here with another Minecraft video on Lifeboat. So I am gonna be playing some survival games on XG 429. So please subscribe and leave a like for this video. And yeah, so hopefully we're gonna win. See somebody with the Captain Sparkle skin. So yeah, pretty much. I think I'm pretty much not dead, but well, since we can craft again. See, yeah. So whenever someone wins, get. Did you just join? Oh my god, that skin looks ugly. Ooh, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. No, not. That skin is actually really ugly. Okay, you're playing now. Might as well try to kill you. No, I'm gonna kill you with those swag and pants. Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't wanna fly. I can't do this. Oh my god, I'm not gonna die. I'm gonna die because of you. Don't kill me. Oh my god. What a stupid. Huh. I died. So, I guess I'll play another game. I can. And I got another upgrade. I really need some shit. Somebody stole some gold from me. So I guess I'm cool. So this is gonna be the last game. If I die, that's actually. Wait, are we no longer? Dude, watch out. There we go. Now, there we go. It's not light. Yay, I want a killing spree. I don't know why I'm saying yay about that, but anyway. Yay, yes! I'm so sorry that you're a girl right now, but I'm on a roll, so I kind of have to. So yeah, right now, I'm like hitting him. If I how did I hit him? How? On. Sorry, not. Oh god. Oh, so laggy. Up. Daddy. I can't hit you? Why can't I hit you? Finally, I got another kill. Boy, the Mike's I'm gonna kill you because you ain't swag enough. I hate your skin, and you look like a noob. Fact. I need another kill, yo. First of all, let me see how much health I got. Bruh! These noobs. I got you. And I got you. I got you. I want some iron. Going back to middle. Just to loot the chest so nobody else can loot them. In case I got diamonds. But first of all, I will kill this guy. Come on, push him down here to me. Took my kill. Don't you dare take my kill like that. He wants to fight me. Whoa, I know you don't want to fight me. Ugh, I'm the worst hacker ever. Yes! We didn't have any diamonds. Or iron. No, all we had was, but. Yes, iron. Good 5. Maybe I can make myself a chest plate. And a sword. Why did I just ignore those pumps? Oh wait, I don't need them. No diamonds for Michael? Dang. They actually didn't give me any diamonds. Or did they either? He didn't either. How rude. Some people are these days. What's the point of diamonds? Some people might ask. They're valuable. Hashtag diamonds every day. I might start a survival world, I mean, not world. My aim, well, yeah. World. So, come on, at least one, just give me one diamond. The next chest is gonna be the best chest ever. It's gonna have so many diamonds. All I had was axes. I don't need an axe. I need crafting table, diamonds. Go up and up and up and up and up. Jump! Yes! Go! Well, at least so quickly. Go. Just go. Go make my iron sword. my god. Stay back, all I did was come here and make an iron sword. Stay back! Why? Stop lagging me! Yes! Freedom! In the deep. Some people just don't understand that well. Sup? Diamonds. If you had two do you have a stick, first of all? Because if he had a stick... Oh my god, he could have made it. I win! Yay! So I hope I hope you guys enjoyed this awesome video of survival games. And I'll see you guys later. Bye bye!